So, what did we do today? It was a crocodile. I'm sure we filmed a video for that, right? No?
I think so.
Yeah, I can't remember now. It was a while ago. But this is today's piece. We got 1 billion gazillion little details. There's like a water. I don't know if you can see the camera. The water is bubbling. Actually, it looks better in a video than in real life. It'd be cool to add some white in the future. But yeah, water bubbling is coming out and grabbing that fish there. I can't say piranha. Piranha. How do you say
Piranha.
piranha? Sounds weird in English. But yeah, the beast of the fishes, and yeah, the croc is fighting, eating them. How did I do all the details? I don't know. Can you see? Yeah. I used multiple needles. I used 3, 5, 7 liner, mostly to line all the scales and all that little stuff. And then the areas where I got like a thicker, bigger, more blacks, I did switch to 14 liner and I think it was 18 round shader, a big fat needle. But because there is like so much black, it had to be a big needle. Down here with the water, I colored behind basically the grey with medium and 7 liner, and it's like big needle, big enough to do the water but not small enough. Yeah, it works. I can't remember exactly what ink I used where. Probably when it heals we're gonna see more where black is black and grey is grey. But essentially I tried to get everything grey instead of except the water and whatever's white for this to stand out. So you end up to like 95% coverage on only a few spots are left with skin. Maybe you can film that healed one. It looks actually quite shiny in the camera, but it looks better in real life, I can promise you that. But yeah, you can see all the little thingies healed nice. I'm actually quite amazed how all this little detail stayed in. Really nice. We did actually shave in the morning because I knew I was going to take some heel photos. But you can see how nicely black heals black and then the grey heals grey. And then it looks more realistic when it's healed. Yeah, little chimpo there. Really nice. Then next time we have a little gap to fill. A bit there. I'm going to keep as a secret what we're going to do. I'm not going to tell you. All the previous ones I think you have seen healed. That's the reference there. As you can see, loads of little details now. I pretty much kept every single scale. It took me hours to make the stencil, but he's happy. And then as always, I got 2 blanks, 2 70, 50, 30%. And then I did test the new machine. I didn't tell him, he just found that out. Yeah, I tested the machine, see how that feels. And then what do I have? Yeah, 3, 5, 7 liners, 15 mag, 9 mag, just for the shading. And that's about it. I think that was a round shader by Elite. Yeah, that's it. That's as far as we get. So next time you probably can see this healed and fresh piece, and then we're gonna shade more water down and stuff like that. But it's horrible area, so we just call it here. We did a massive chunk already. Yeah.